The 1986 seminar at the Basement with Wansong Leung and Nino Bernardo has had snippets released and edited versions sold, but the full, raw 2-hour seminar has been considered lost. Until now, where what you're about to see is that complete, unedited seminar presented for the first time in its entirety. This is a priceless piece of martial arts history. Let's step back into the basement.
Accidentally or deliberately use the ground in peace power impact. 嗱，呢個做法做完啦，跟住睇我呢度啦，將個手帶個身處，手帶個身處 ，hands take the ground。如果打空咗，啱啱我濕咗位喺呢度啦。如果呢度有人打緊過嚟，親過嚟。如果我咁出嚟㗎啦，你 if you put this out there, I come to get you, when you that hand, you will get you up one. 而家咪我打出咗啦，嗱，我咪始終要向翻嚟㗎，因為我唔向翻嚟，我隻手已經打唔到佢啦。我係選擇。But if he doesn't do that, other hand won't be able to reach it. So this is the fish coming over here. 嗱，我手帶跟住呢度啦，我手指定咗呢個位啊。睇上嚟就咁轉過嚟，有轉攞住呢個位咧，你根本係假㗎啦，已經冇問題。你揾個手帶個身處，唔係個身行先，係手帶住身處。You use the hand is usually it's the body that comes down. Even with the hand first, and immediately upon contact, the left hand is activated. Other hand. 嗱，第三節強調啊。該作同頭先話完全一樣，亦都一定要你就喺原位喺邊個位就喺邊個位打，同時咧亦都要你一打完嘅時候咧，要你習慣咗要上，即係打完嗰個就要上方法。A programming exactly the same kick and again, immediate kick from wherever your foot happens to be, lead foot kick, and programming of the step forward to follow up. 嗱，你仲要睇清我呢個動作啊 ！Watch this technique. 我每一個動作都係一樣㗎，你睇住嚇。打完嗰個腳，你睇住啦。我手做完成嗰個動作，同我呢個係一齊㗎。His hand technique and step forward after the kick activated simultaneously. 你睇我動作啦。嗱，我呢個上邊呢個位係咪一齊呢個動作一齊完成啦？嗱，呢啲動作完成啦，嗱，一齊完成啦，即係唔係話。You see, we were saying that it's not one together, it's one together, not two, right? It's man, multiple activities, not up. 啊，一個動作完成啦。呢下係低磅嚟㗎，係 low 磅。通常咧，你同人哋碰面一撞咧，走行一撞咧，你好容易好容易上啲下啊，或者咧，佢頭先我話做嗰個動作，如果佢一過你咧，根本你一上埋哇低磅嚟。That's a low 磅或者你用黐手嗰啲咧，嗱，譬如佢攻我撳唔佢，一過去之後低磅。就而家有低磅，通常咧啲人都近手啊，當你睇啲近手啊，呢下咧就而家點頭，就係呢下手。In the wooden belly, or in what people demonstrate when the person comes forward and practice to one side, you usually fall, or when you're on the belly, using the punch up. 仲有一樣嘢記住，呢樣嘢好緊要㗎，雙手唔好突佢出嚟。Don't kick the forward. 等於同人哋打，擺呢隻手啊，擺隻手唔好突佢出嚟，因為你突咗隻手出去防守，或者突咗佢出去擺手啦，即係你無端端做咗一步， if you put the lead foot forward, a horse stance like that, or you could put forward on one side, if you have a useless one step. You've already taken one step forward. 嗱，譬如而家我手嚟手出去，喺手啊，佢拖我咧，我咁跟住走去㗎，我做唔到呢個動作㗎，做唔到呢個動作㗎。You won't be able to pull off that technique. 因為我呢個用咗已經 the foot's already out. If people there, I pull here. Chances are, if I put a strong foot, he will go where I want him to. But if he has to step forward, I pull him there, he still comes here. 防守一樣，防守我絕對唔係用嘅。Same thing with the 防守。See, if I push you to there, he'll go there. Right? 唯一樣嘢係需要到隻防守嘅功能嘅。Unless you're using the 防守 if you want to use your 防守 to actually attack, then maybe it's a good idea to keep that to lead first up. 嗱，等佢頭先想幫我啫嘛。I suddenly just pull it. 嗱，我係想講呢啲，就唔好防守特別做出嚟，而係需要講功能咧，先至配合埋一個佢嘅。It's when the attack technique is being executed at certain moments when it's being effective that you catch a 防守 and lead leg. There's no lead foot. Hand is taking the lead foot complements the jamming of the 防守. Okay, that's the only instance when you actually find 防守 and lead foot working at the same time. 通常嚟出嘅手咧，多數咧牽手咧喺外邊，呢就內邊。獨係尋橋呢下咧喺內邊走出外邊。Okay, green style usually goes from the outside to the inside. It's only a champion that you see the green coming from the inside. 呢類型嘅手咧，往往遇到對方好力嘅。We have very, very strong opponents. 嗱，譬如我同佢黐手，佢力好猛，但係佢衝過嚟打，我手都歪㗎，我哋就唔夠佢，佢喺呢種情況知道咁樣，佢呢個位正分呢個位就唔好呢種走，因為我咁樣走咧，佢打我㗎，所以呢手咧係少少保護佢。He just really doesn't lose contact. He maintains contact. You know, he doesn't lose contact. Not one. Right behind it. Shows you that. 亦都唔係話兩手同用牙，不過問題一隻手咧係避開呢個位嘅啫，避咗呢個位嘅啫。嗱呢下你哋要注意啊！做完呢下手之後，嗱跟住打下橫腳，係咁樣打。嗰陣我哋學嘅時候咧。自問教我哋嘅時候咧，我哋掹個少少，要我哋轉咗少少，然後打佢。So turn a little bit and then you kick. 咁咧佢話咧，當你練到熟，你就唔好轉啦。And when you 一路打住一路轉，一路打住一路轉。嗱呢個動作同你打到尾呢個動作，或者頭先呢啲動作咧。都係有相似嘅。There are similarities in the three techniques because you're simultaneously planning, executing the horse stance, and executing a kick or a punch or a technique in hand. 嗱，譬如而家我喺嗰度啊，而家我想喺呢度，咁我咪始終我好蝕底啊！我始終要向翻佢。If I'm over here to attack people, he has to somehow or other face me. Before you can go. 而家佢要你點樣？係打住佢嚟轉，嗰度打住佢喺度轉。He turns and kicks simultaneously. 嗱，我喺度打啦，我呢個轉咗。Doing it in one move rather than turn and kick. He kicks and turns at the same time. 喺度打住佢嚟轉咧，每個說話講係保護咗你自己。That's only for your own safety that you should. Turn at the same time. 呢個動作做唔得，你喺我做呢幾個動作。呢幾個動作咧，即係小兩頭呢個動作嚟嘅啫。嗱，我坐咩啊？你啊，坐咩啊？你啊，小兩頭呢啲係。All you do is talk from two inches, but it is close to the same. 嗱，所以我話俾你聽，琴條咧就將小兩頭整翻嚟啫，配合埋個馬啦。 都有埋個馬嘅，都行埋小練球走嚟。
So you take movements to do student and include the horse and horse hand.
嗱，跟住打呢條，呢條咧我同佢講一樣道理㗎。
Same principle as the kick.
譬如我打喺呢個位，佢一除過，頭先嗰下咧因為我上，咁行過嚟咧，而家呢個我想一爬，我咁爬我上點解嘅啫？嗱，而家我咁轉啦，你唔知㗎，你真係搞我個網嚟㗎，我哋唔知㗎。嗱，我想一下嘅，就呢個手勢。嗱，你睇我呢啲打佢唔到到咧，起碼我唔使俾佢打先。
Even if he misses me, at least he's I can't afford to move anywhere because it will come in.
仲有一樣嘢喎，你睇住我手唔係隔過嘅喎，唔係咁，唔係要隔你隻手喎。如果我隔唔到咧，可能會去到嗰邊喎。嗱，開手係咁打住，你睇我手係咁打住佢，一路上一路打住佢，並唔係咁樣發。譬如喺嗰邊，而家一路咁打住手，咁打住佢嘅啫。
It's not. This punching straight. You have to be facing every punch same time.
尋常咩問題冇？
Pressing forearm, please.
Yeah, let's do the jump sequence to Alex and through the center of the body rather than all that. The head, the head is
Yeah.
What's the question?
actually turning.
Oh, you want to know if that is the case? 你喺個身中嚟轉咧，冇得個身。馬轉馬嗰啲，
你睇我轉馬，我呢樣嘢頭先我留咗講。好多人轉馬。
A lot of people sit on the horse too.
好多咁嘅，轉馬要咁樣嘅，要咁樣先轉到馬。你日個動作慢咗幾多先？嗱，你睇下我兩個都，我重心喺呢度咯，我重心喺呢度咯，你睇啦，彎到咁，嗱，彎到咁啊，已經轉咗啦，嗱，個重心咁嗰度。如果假如我呢度直嘅咧，我咁樣換咗條力先轉得到噶啦。
Does that answer your question? What he's saying, he's pivoting his horse and he's shifting it from one to another. If he has one leg straight, he has to bring it down to turn. He keeps both legs at angle. It's not straight. When you have one bent, one straight, you have to get up. Then you have to do that.
仲有一樣嘢，所有嘢啊，轉馬你睇住我點轉下，揾隻腳爭住。
On the heel.
好多人咁樣轉啊！
Love you kind of toes.
好多，我一路睇咧，好多人。我哋為咗乜嘢要轉馬先？最緊要轉嗰度。我哋為咗乜嘢要轉馬 ？Why do you do it？ 譬如喺咁嘅情形啊，我想打佢唔到噶啦，我先至轉馬打佢啫嘛。
Only when he can't reach it, he uses his horse stance to get in.
嗱，假如我腳先轉埋睇佢啦，
He turns on the ball of his foot. He goes out of range.
改變咗噶。嗱，你睇睇，而家嗱，我咁樣轉下，我腳先轉。
He turns on the ball.
嗱，我啲腳跟轉。
He turns on his heel.
呢個情形咧，香港有個好有名嘅明星師傅文我教佢呢個。
There's one very famous people in Hong Kong that had a long about the horse.
佢真係好有名，唔係好叻。
He's well famous, but he's not very skilled.
你話玩錢咧，有着數有唔着數。嗱，你又點嘅着數咧？嗱，我轉唔打到佢啦。OK。嗱，而家我咁樣轉咧，打唔到佢，但佢都打我唔到咧。
There's an advantage. Even if I don't reach him, at least he can't reach me either. not because the other people.
我哋要唔俾人打到點解你唔走啫？走咪仲好。
If you just don't want to take it, what you do?
呢個好有名嘅師傅嚟嘅。當時咧如果假如佢唔問翻我都唔知啦。而家再問翻你呢一隻。哦。叫佢叫唔係我當時叫我點解俾人打到點解唔走啫啦？走咪仲唔實際我？
哦，佢話上課呢個時間呢個點啊？幾時有呢啲？
嗱，有好多種傳言嘅。譬如打唔甩就打佢，佢點唔一定就打中嚟㗎，有係打唔中㗎。你喺出邊嗱，起碼正義嗰啲喺佢想唔打你，我咁樣你打我㗎嘛？我咁嘅時間係咪攞住呢個位啊？喺呢條好多機會㗎，唔係我㗎。有時大家接住嘅時間先有機會。仲有咩要問嘅？點解咧？我而家榜首係咪真係要試過呢邊先？嗱，我擺呢個位係咪同一個方向啊？我所講係咪同一個方向去啊？如果假如唔係嘅話咧，我講呢手肯定升埋嚟，你呢手去呢度，呢手去嗰度，你都唔知嘅。
The other alternative is to go and open the left. One is to go together. The other one take it there and then go there.
嗱，咁樣嗱，我就舉一個例俾你睇下。嗱，一隻手佢拍手打我，我講嗱，你睇住咯喎，我講係咪想將人哋我嗰邊㗎？咁我呢手留住喺度，我始終俾佢哋手打。
If he performs this and he tries to put my outfield,
因為我兩個手都做得半。
and both techniques so he's done half the technique and then half the technique in the other.
咁咧，我變咗自己矛盾咗，即係我見到呢手唔埋嚟，
Contradicting himself from a technical standpoint.
我咪喺度咁俾佢打，我講咗俾你打㗎，係咪我要呢隻佢先會燒到呢隻？或者係嘛？我一係攞呢隻，一係就攞呢隻，你就唔能夠兩隻都要。如果你唔係擺喺度咧，應該兩隻都要。呢隻喺呢邊過嚟，呢隻喺呢邊過去。
What happens is that position is to pick that and insert the camera and work across like that.
I think you do play sometimes. Someone put their hand in something like
No, it's just to make it work together.
Any question?
Yeah, I'm not just watching from the same thing. They have to keep their inside long as
冇所謂啊！啲年輕人咧有個唔同嘅中間，有個具體嘅嘢。而家唔睇呢度，知唔知？就睇呢個動作啊！
You need the center line over here. You need that leader if you go on the center line. Now tilt your body a little away.
你唔好睇緊個護手，呢個護手可能有人會答你。
One day that will go through and save your life.
如果護手咁樣喺呢度嘅，你摸摸我手，我手嗰度錯我做低中間。呢個護手係跟呢個跟落嘅。嗱，我護手呢個位，我護手呢個位啊。你兩個手對我都唔緊要啦，你墜低我，一墜咧呢個位，或者你墜我咁打我嘅時候咧，你想錯咗自己嘅。嗱，你自己得啫，叫佢自己做一做。我咁啊，嗱，如果你唔喺呢度，我手拉嚟咧，係咪真心㗎？隻護手個心落個手跟埋落去。嗱，你喺呢度。嗱，我拉低咗你個身，你知手係咪上啊？頭先個手落，呢手上，呢手一上係保住咗你個頭嘅。
protect your head. So you don't take it down.
你自己揸喺呢度，打落喺跟到身嘅。嗱喺呢一度，因為係咪咁樣噶？係保護住你噶。
That is Wing Chun usually.
小龍頭尋橋係用咗一般性係常規嘅，都係用尋橋小龍頭嘅手嘅。嗱，你如舉一個例，支手唔好兩手唔好 cross 嘅，
You don't want to have to cross the machine.
或者唔好喺橋底嘅手
Don't go from under your jaw.
喺標誌咧啱啱相反，好多條底嘅手嘅。
Usually it contradicts a lot of the teachings from the first two forms.
標誌佢已經話俾你聽，好多嘢唔係叫做絕對啱嘅，有啲你認為唔啱嘅嘢，喺某種情形入邊佢係啱嘅，所以佢認為乜嘢都冇絕對。
In Fuji, a lot of techniques that don't make sense to your teaching, they now try to teach you how to use it in application. You use techniques that maybe is not advisable. Now saying they're looking for situations where they will work and are in fact effective.
我既然真正嚟講啊，真係攞標誌咧係俾你自由翻嘅，俾你知嘅。
In the first two forms, you're disciplined into understanding the theories and concepts therein. In Fuji, the concept is to now once more free you from being tied down by those disciplines.
所以佢詠春呢幾個片都有俾你知嘅攞去嘅。點解啲人仲要成日俾你將綁住先？
Even though a lot of people don't understand the whole concept of Wing Chun, first of all, you learn the discipline, then you learn the rule of improvisation for your freedom. There's still a lot of practitioners still encase themselves within the system of slaves.
嗱，一開始我再講標誌點特別唔知你知啊。標誌因為而家呢度冇乜中國人啦嚇，或者唔會明白。通常指係講
finger, yeah.
標咧係一個動作，
Feel is a movement.
所以好多人誤解咗咧，就係呢度片啊標嘅手指。
So usually they think it's the thrusting of fingers.
呢種情形咧，亦都有人問過我，我話既然你認為係標手指，點解唔標腳趾啊？
They got a few fingers like toes.
因為中英文入邊咧，個腳趾嘅指同個手指嘅指差唔多嘅。其實咧，標指啊喺佛經入邊
Fuji comes from the same Buddhism.
佢個原一個名，佢個名咧係叫做標月標指，即係佢嗰陣時指個月光，叫你去睇個月光，唔係叫你睇個手指。
What you're pointing at the moon tells you to look at the moon, not at the finger.
即係佢哋將個眼光將個睇大啲，唔好睇佢哋咁細。
They tell you to look a little further than that.
即係世界上仲有好多嘢咧，你哋都認為唔啱嘅，佢事實上係啱嘅。
A lot of things in this world that Wing Chun will say not proper, and in reality it is.
如果唔係嘅話咧，就根本唔會有標誌喺度功夫。
If it were, then we wouldn't have Fuji in this form.
嗱，詠春開始呢個馬就係咁樣㗎。唔該睇你。我相信而家好多人買緊詠春都唔明白呢個馬嘅作用喺邊度嘅。
A lot of Wing Chun practitioners still don't know what this is about.
好多時以為我哋咁樣走嘅，實際上唔係。你咁樣走同跳舞有咩分別？
Some people think that's the way they move. might as well pick up dancing.
實際上呢個馬係要利用一條直線去截人哋個魚形嘅，即係人哋兩邊走點去截人哋嘅。
You use the cut-off angle from the stage to cut off the part to shorten the distance. Shorten the approach by cutting off the knot.
若果一個人啊，佢唔自己本身唔打慣，佢好難會理解到呢個馬會係直線。
If you're not already an instinctive person, it would be very difficult to try and theoretically explain the principles of this particular horse thing.
假如而家我同佢打，而佢走得好快㗎。
Now, people fight me and I'm a faster runner than people.
我而家要點樣逼佢同我打咧？
How the people going to
就好常會用到呢一個馬㗎。
This is when this horse dance, this footwork comes into.
嗱，你睇呢個動作啊，譬如我同佢打緊，我同佢打緊，佢永遠唔能夠喺我打佢嗰個距離入邊走嚟走去啦。
It'd be stupid for me to walk inside the firing range, inside Siku's fire power, because I'll be something to be hit. So I'll have to go back and away from the firing range on my own.
佢唔能夠咁樣走嘅，只能夠咁樣走，或者咁樣走嘅。
I'll have to either go this way or I go this way, but always you find me flowing away in an arc pattern away from the fire power.
嗱，你睇住啦，你唔得，嗱，我一截唔截佢打，唔得啦，你佢一走，嗱，我一截，嗱，而家佢再走，譬如咧走一截走咧，你睇佢咪埋咗佢啦。而家呢種情當然係我踩人哋啦嚇，唔係我逼佢埋去佢打我，邊係我打佢，因為問題佢唔係好夠我打嘅，但係佢比我快，我點逼佢打佢咧
？Okay, this is in this instance. Sifu is confident that he will be able to put me on and beat me in combat. Otherwise, he wants to take me and try and corner me.
Yeah.
So you don't try and corner someone who you know you can't beat.
通常咧一接觸咗咧，多數係尋常嘅馬嚟嘅。嗱，假如呢個係邊度？你識睇到啊？呢個咩？嗱，呢個係我。而家我呢個攻擊範圍咧，佢唔能夠咁走嘅，佢唔能夠咁走。
I can't. The red dog can't run inside 5 pounds.
佢要走咪你咁樣走啊？走個弧形啊！
He runs a little R.
嗱，而家我截佢咧，喺條直線。嗱，佢再走嘅時候咧。嗱，而家我截佢啦，佢再走，
The constant interception.
Hay mà cứ đập rồi à? Là, cho thấy là rất ok rồi vậy. Đó, tôi có, tôi đi rồi. Là rất không cháu. Đó là mà cháu gì đó. Là rất cho cháu.
So I go like this. He's just cutting off my distance, you see. I could even have eventually when he would just corner me and chase me around. He moves less distance. He covers less distance than I do because I'm running in arcs.
Now this tôi thấy nó mấy. Cái đường straight line này nè. Rồi đây là nó cháu.
I'll run. He's moving in a straight line, and I'm moving in a third line. Yeah, he just carries on straight, and I'm having to go.
呢啲大家自己可以試㗎，呢個動作唔係好難做㗎。有假如我唔夠膽，我哋都冇機會咁樣做啦嚇。嗱，呢個動作做完，呢啲一樣啊。 嗱，跟住打呢，嗱呢個動作咁樣，係咁樣㗎，咁樣，係攞一個十字位嘅。你哋好似你哋叫人玩打樁，打緊一啲咁嘅動作，打呢啲咁嘅動作嘅時間咧，打呢啲咁嘅時間，就而家就係點行落嚟。有啲人玩獅子咧，咁樣㗎。如果假如咁樣，我唔知佢點喺度學咗玩，點練先？冇得練㗎。甚至有啲人係又咁樣打人，有咁樣打人。如果咁樣打到人咧，如果佢淨係打我都開心，起碼我唔使俾啲人鬧交先。
If you're able to hit someone like this, people volunteer to go hit you, you can get a free neck guard.
如果而家我兩隻手嘅，譬如我隻手傷咗
，one hand's wounded，
唔係因為你傷咗人哋唔會打你，可能打得你仲緊要啲。
Just because you got one hand hurt doesn't mean they're going to stop it.
喺咁嘅時間咧，我唔係話一定要求贏㗎，最低係我點樣保護我自己。
Right now, Tiku's main ambition is not to win the fight, but to get away alive.
嗱，譬如佢一路咁打我，或者咁打我，嗱，如果我呢度燒咧，唔容易燒㗎。
It's difficult to block right here in this space.
等於人哋揸支筆一放手，你一捉，唔係好容易捉得到喎。
If you put your hand right underneath someone who's holding his pen, but he just releases it, it's very difficult for you to grip it right away.
而家我手傷咗咧，佢一路咁打我咧，你睇下嗱，佢一路打我，嗱，佢攞住呢個位嚟啫，佢盡量喺開邊做成一個偏差，佢離到我身係咪越嚟越遠啊？
You try to offer an alternative route already here. So diversion stops from this range. You can offer a diversion to any distance by taking it out of this way.
即係睇頭先我玩嘅樁機械，完全係一樣㗎。並唔係咁樣㗎。如果假如咁樣有用，我唔知點解佢有用啊。最好嘅成世都係咁樣。如果假如呢手係咁樣，喺標誌入邊係盡量點樣去保護自己嘅，已經好多動作，已經唔係話要求點樣去打人。
And beauty is no longer a concept whereby you're trying to find a method of using it. It's more of a self-defense concept.
呢幾日做完之後咧，嗱跟住咧呢個第三，嗱琴橋咧係梯間嘅，由左至右或者由右至左嘅，但標誌嘅爭咧由上往下嘅，同埋一樣你睇到呢個動作啊，唔係咁樣啊，而係有少少輕輕地嘅。
In Chapter, you see the elbow traveling horizontally across, and in Fuji it comes from the top. And not only a hand motion, but body mechanics come into it. Your body slightly tilted when your elbow comes down.
呢個動作咧，多數都係俾人捉住嘅時間用嘅。
Very often you can grab hold of your hand.
仲要對方比較你大隻好多嘅。
And your partner is much stronger than yourself.
而家即係有時好似我哋去同人打咧，大家咁想大隻攞去攻我多次咧，佢捉住我都冇用啊，都攞隻手啦，你捉咧，都係捉隻手都拍唔過去㗎啦。
You get two people who approximately the same size. It's very difficult for you to maintain. It's only when a stronger person can hold on to it.
除非佢好高大捉住你。嗱，點解呢個頭就要咁樣啊？而家我同佢咁咧，大家咁手高咧，我頭正嘅都唔怕。嗱，譬如佢捉住我，係，然之後冚唔咁嗱，佢一跪落去，唔影響我個頭㗎。但係譬如我同到佢咁高咧，有問題。
As a tall person, you've got a problem there. How do you volunteer to get eaten up?
嗱，你睇下捉住我，而家跪咧，隻手係咁樣跪落去。嗱，一般人你而家攬住慘咁嗰個跪，佢咪咧好痛㗎？跟住跪，有少過啱。有我咧，揞唔得跪，跟住跑落去咧，佢痛嘅話咧，我痛唔到我呢度啊，呢度 crash on the people's head。嗱，好似佢咁矮咧，咁矮咧，佢唔驚喎。嗱，佢捉住我話你唔得跪，佢跪撞唔到我呢度喎。但佢咁高咧，高我咁多，我跪落咧，係到唔知道俾佢呢度冚到㗎。但係我頭咧少少側咧，反而我對撞我嚟啊，撞我呢個位。如果我咁樣咧，唔同我呢個鼻俾佢撞喎。
If you face his head on, you can get it on the nose. You tilt it a little bit. It's normally when it comes to much taller than yourself. Then when the hit comes down, it's just one on the side that if you're expecting it.
我通常嚟講，邊隻手幾大力都好，我捉住佢啦。佢跪落嚟咧，甩佢就咬佢呢個位㗎。見佢捉得我幾大力都好，佢一個行嚟做咩咧？口花自己俾你出嚟，有一跪就咬佢。
You break the grip.
一跪係咁跪落去啦，就上跪落去啦。
It goes from up to down.
嗱，做完嗱呢隻手啊，兩樣做完啊，喺標誌入邊做完1、2、3之後咧，兩邊做完咧就再一次添嘅，佢一個肯定做多一次，唔知多一次個馬嘅。
So you've done 3 times, you initiated with 3 moves on each side, and then you repeat one of these just once on either side. That's just the script and then you give the opportunity to try and score these.
嗱，一做完呢個動作，嗱呢個動作咧係咁標啊，喺呢個位標啊，喺橋底標上
Under the bridge. The move is the hand under the bridge.
一路嚟講都算好用橋底㗎啦。即係開始一做已經係橋底手嚟嘅。
Throughout your Wing Chun so far, you've always tried under the bridge.
嗱，通常咩拱住個踭，
If someone pushes your elbow,
我呢個打 B 咧差唔多㗎。
it's similar to
嗱，
shooting pool on the bridge.
你個拱住個踭。
Here,
如果我向佢咧都唔出唔到㗎，而家我呢度你喺呢度，佢咪去咗呢度，
so you just come.
唔係向住佢人㗎，佢入邊應該有向住佢人嘅標法，但係呢下咧就咁標出嚟啦。
And then when people does the feel, he feels not towards the body, not towards me. He's feeling to also be an alternative route, so I end up here. He's not coming at me. So he's just offering.
如果假如我唔係貼緊埋牆嚇，
He's not now pressed against the wall.
佢好似我咁樣咯，或者咁要同形嗰下啦，係咪先？如果假如我咁樣佢出下咧，佢打落嚟我都唔好命嘅呢下。但係我整咗埋牆唔同啊，整咗埋牆，佢撳我唔低㗎，因為佢同埲牆鬥啊，唔係同我鬥。
Here I'm not fighting people, I'm fighting the wall. People are using the wall energy.
Now,
earlier on, when I attacked him, he went to come on the bridge and accept him, right? So that's why people say it's not advisable. Only when you're invincible. Use all Chang Chu techniques to get away from those other techniques.
仲有一樣，我根本完全唔使用力㗎。
He doesn't use things at all.
即係佢鬥埲牆，我使乜用力啊？
Why should we sense if my opponent is fighting the wall?
有冇人想試下
And then when I put people against the wall,
佢呢個動作咧，好似人打邊咧揩到搏一搏，向呢個波打一樣嘅啫。
Sequence principle, that's what you're trying to say when you play fitness, you do a nice cut shot, you know? And you just that's a fine cut.
我呢個我知學嘅啦
Fine cut.
一開始都第一發嘅。嗱呢個動作做完，嗱跟住啊，都係咁樣批間。 跟住咧，uphill 嗱，通常詠春嘅手唔掹人翻嚟啦，唔拉人噶。
詠春嗰個 pull。
通常咧，如果要打防咁打嘅，但係標指咧係拉埋嚟，或者打上嗰下都係拉嘅。因為點解詠春要人唔好拉人嘅手埋嚟咧
Why does Wing Chun not advise to pull someone towards yourself?
頭先你呢度睇到做好多嘢啦。
You know about the pulling, but you pull someone in from behind you.
若果假如我拉人嘅手咧，係咪逼人拉人手埋身㗎？
So you pull them into yourself. And that's why it's not advisable that you should pull.
嗱，因為呢個手都唔係咁拉㗎，先至係咁樣拉嘅。通常幾個人打我嘅時候咧，我需要佢去幫我去阻一啲位㗎。
So this is when he has multiple opponents and he's using one person to come up to take and have a shield.
譬如呢度有人嘅話，我拉係咪佢幫我打到阻咗呢個其他人打我㗎？
The wooden dummy, right? Keep going to the head.
嗱，擒條立手
This is chapter.
就標指咁㗎。
See the thumb position.
標指唔係咁，標指唔係咁㗎。呢度就成隻手咁搞㗎。佢因為我需要呢個人幫我擋住啊，所以佢就一下係咁樣嘅。睇佢阻我阻咗其餘啲人嘅。
So the application is just for your safety. It means that self-defense. Then.
嗱，好似打呢下，翻過嚟呢個動作睇住我啊，睇住呢個動作啊，即係先。假如俾人頂到行急啊，即係咁多實。如果我想咁樣翻嚟咧，好難翻㗎。
Very difficult for people to just fight my weight with one arm.
因為我一隻手鬥佢兩隻手。
That is moral growth. He's got two hands.
你估而家我要鬥佢兩手最好用邊度咧？因為腰粗過佢兩手好多㗎。
You can use his hip.
嗱，佢點解固定咗呢個位咧？連腰大過。而家可能我俾你幾個人管住㗎，唔一定俾佢一個㗎。
He doesn't mind more than one people something. He's still friendly.
我可以揾得兩個人指示嘅。
Have some people come inside and do that.
嗱，你可唔可以頂得住啊？而家喺高嘅，我當然咁啦。如果假如我喺低嘅，嗱我咁樣咧，係咪攞唔收㗎？如果
The people has got the step.
啊，固定咗呢位都幾難，然之後就咁，我拉咗場，我開始佢呢兩個好鬼好力，我諗住都幾難住佢兩個嚟頂住咧，佢唔止我哋腰咁粗啊已經，呢個做唔到，好似佢呢個辦法，即係佢兩個咁樣咧。我鬥佢呢兩邊膊啊，一條腰。通常咧，一個對一個咧，或者三兩個唔係太大隻嘅，因為佢同我個比例太遠啦。通常咧，你咁樣咧，而家一個對一個咧，我都攞唔得嘅。而家咧
With a very big person, with a very big person, difficult person.
但係我固定咗我條腰咧，我條腰我你係易好多㗎，但係佢自己
You go on your own.
等我拱住佢，我拱住佢，佢拉隻手過好難。固定咗個手先，咗呢個位，係有條腰過，而家咁而家我佢拱住我感覺好難過㗎。嗱我逼咗條腰，有條腰過，唔係好難拱住。佢而家呢個前提點咧？係要你，我唔係話俾你聽。咁樣過咧就實得，唔係叫實得，但係個機會係高好多。
Finding out to you that it's not a guaranteed something that will pull off, your chances are much higher than if you were to just use your arm.
佢呢下手咧揾到腰帶手過嘅，好似着呢手都唔需要點講噶啦。跟住嚟做完嗰邊嘅動作，跟住加個手啦，加個手，我跟係補翻防守嘅錯嘅，防守嘅錯漏嘅。
Down throw is to cover up mistakenly applied
防守，因為佢話俾你聽，唔理點都好，人始終係人，一定會有錯嘅。
Human approach to error. So this is where you study errors, mistakes, to cover up 防守 mistakenly applied 防守。
嗱，比如佢打我一錘，我綁咩手？我哋睇住嗰面手啊！但係咧，我可能我會綁住佢
，from the wrong hand。
我呢件話俾佢打啦。單手咧就係補綁手嘅錯，
單手 cover up mistakenly。
圈手咧。有一邊隻又圈呢個手㗎，短手咧係補單手嘅錯嘅。
When you do a down throw incorrectly, you correct it by using the heel throw.
好似玩莊玩到第60下嘅時間，已經玩到呢啲嘅時間咧，即係圈手咧係補單手嘅錯嘅。嗱，最好嘅情形，嗰條插我咁交到啦，直情打添啦，係咪先？再其次咧就咁樣交到，最曳咧就係咁樣交到，係咪佢嗰啲都係行埋俾佢打㗎？所以你交咧係攞翻住呢個位嘅，補翻呢個位嚟㗎。所以交手咧係補防守嘅錯。圈手咧係補耕手嘅錯嘅，
防守 covers the mistakenly，耕手 covers the mistakenly 防守 and the 圈手 covers the mistakenly 耕手 ，the wrong 耕。
跟住嗱一攞呢隻手咧係補位嘅，即係一攞執咗個位，一走嘅時間呢個位攞翻嘅，或者高嘅時間你睇翻住啦。如果佢唔係嘅係低啲嘅咧。呢手補翻個位嘅，所以行運嗰位就真帶個手線嘅。
The body that controls the hand will turn. You have to let it down. Come back to cover the space, the gap that you have to hit from.
嗱，跟住做完呢下啦，跟住發呢隻下。嗱，好多人都係咁樣做㗎，錯㗎。呢個動作係咁樣。嗱，呢個動作咧。喺第40下莊入邊有呢個動作。嗱，有幾多個玩過莊㗎呢啲
？How many people play Zoe？
嗱，係咪一個咁嘅動作啊？呢下即係沉船嗰下嚟嘅，呢個動作你學我哋學佢做。呢下，而家你呢下手。譬如你就係同人打，綁咗手，或者爭錯手，你想住打我想拍佢呢邊啦，或者綁呢邊啦，而家咧啱你係拍錯咗，或者綁錯咗啊，拍錯咗喺我呢邊話俾佢打㗎，係嘛？嗱，你睇我想拍，即係想。喺呢個位就點嚟講？唔使轉馬㗎，你睇啊！你睇住啦，佢如果係真係打我嘅話咧，我呢手就換。若果假如我轉馬咧，我睇唔到㗎。所以好多人喺莊度咧，呢下手啊，呢下手啦。
A lot of people do a horse turn，
跟打過嚟唔到啊！呢手就到佢，呢手拍住嘅，仲有一個情形咧，呢一手叫文手啊，
also called acting hand.
譬如呢個人打，嗱你我咁樣向佢，你就喺咁嘅時候，你都唔知我究竟咁打或者咁打。
In this situation like this, I don't know whether people are going to use that hand or that hand.
若果你就咁鬥問唔衝埋嚟咧，你有隨或者你抹都係咁打嚟㗎，你唔知邊邊㗎。因為一攤呢邊就俾人憑呢邊，你唔知啊。但係呢個時候咧就要趕埋人嘅資源。嗱，譬如講一去趕埋一邊嘅。
So he forces me to have to use those things. He runs into a safety zone where he can expect it, and where my only alternative is this hand.
嗱，你而家個反住啊，佢一埋一邊，佢唔會喺呢度打我㗎，因為佢冇喺呢度翻嚟，佢冇喺呢邊。
So I have to come up with this one.
即係趕埋佢，將佢全個人趕埋一隻手。
The concept of the Mansal is to set your opponent out until he's only left with one weapon, or a limited arsenal to a familiar route for yourself.
呢隻手之後，嗱翻落嚟呢下咧即係單手到上手嚟㗎，亦都係啦。通常嚟講喺平時就攞呢個位啦，標誌咧係帶把咁解嚟咯。
Sometimes you take a shape and you choose this one, and it's the upper half of the counter combination.
跟住圈，嗱呢個點手咧，即係通常就係我而家我攞翻個位㗎，而係要練嘅咧，揾條腰帶嘅身呢隻手轉。如果我譬如我咁樣轉咧，就好似頭先我攞呢啲位啊，我咁轉，我仍然都未向佢㗎。一定嗱揾呢個位嗱，我哋腰轉先至同一個時間向翻佢嘅。
So not only he has to use his hip to turn, because if you only use the hand, then the opponent will be moved, and he's not inside firing power, firing range. So turn your hip to maintain still your opponent's body.
嗱，跟住咧，嗱呢隻手都唔使講㗎啦，呢隻手同咗安全都一樣㗎啦。嗱，跟住呢幾下，嗱呢幾下咧係向你嘅敵人標㗎。
This is where you feel towards your opponent.
好呢下咧標咧，即係求其標咗出嚟啦。
The initial feel, sometimes you just push your hand out to offer him a cut.
嗱，頭先個動作，我咁扭住嘅，我標，
He just pushes down.
但係呢個動作唔係，佢揞住我，咁揞住我，我可以咁落去。
He just went straight into me.
算佢幾大力都好，佢鬥唔過埲牆㗎。
No matter how strong I might think it's the wall.
頭先嗰個動作我做唔到啊！呢個動作你兩個夾我都做得到㗎，因為頭先嗰個仲係用咗腰鬥兩個，但係呢個咧我唔怕㗎，因為呢埲牆唔得我。
The one way is you're fighting against the wall, so he's not good you out, If you get the stupid guy, you still you can.
即係我頭先做緊條腰鬥喎，你明唔明啊？佢呢個咧係埲牆鬥。嗱，佢呢隻手咧標完嗱，跟住呢個動作你要留意下。而家假設個敵人喺呢度，假設個敵人喺度
opponent's over there.
兩個手咁樣翻嚟去咧，喺埋嗰個90度啊，行遠咗。
If he goes towards the opponent, and he comes here and goes there, he's going again.
佢而家要你點咧？一路去。就唔係咁咳啊，而係咁樣啊，咁打㗎。一路去呢個爭路埋，到我向正嘅時間咧，呢度已經射咗出去㗎啦。而家要你喺任何位置都可以一路搞翻埋佢。
It doesn't matter where your hand is. So wherever it happens to be, you can fire it into the center line.
其實呢個動作咧喺小練頭已經 training 緊你嘅。
You're already being programmed to do that.
嗱，搞咗呢之後，你又正咗啦。 到呢幾下之後咧，呢下掌係咪一路都要打開埋都算啦？而家呢個位置一路埋嚟都算，我打佢出去啦。喺中線㗎。
Wherever you are, you try to set the line.
因為你咁樣打法咧，你係行最近嘅路㗎。
You look into the shortest route all the time.
嗱，打完呢啲牌，呢啲唔需要講下一樣㗎啦嚇。嗱，呢個動作要講啊。詠春成日都叫人唔好追人走嘅。
You never taught to, you always say
但係標準就係你
go look for a hand, an arm, and grab it.
嗱，譬如咧，我同佢打，佢手兩頭走，好難揾個手嚟捉啊！
to change the hand.
但係呢個人啱正就打我個咧。
You have more than one people come and ask you. You've got more chances of grabbing.
咁啊，其實仲有好多隻手喺度。
Many hands.
嗱，舉一個例啊。俾個機會。嗱，譬如即係四個打我啊，四個打我。四個打我。四個打我。如果我打佢一錘，係咪一個拍一個時間啊
hit one, it's one beat, one time.
四個人同時有呢個時間啊。
All of us have that one beat too. So the other three people have a thin chance of striking that people.
如果我打佢一錘咧，你哋幾個人打我咧，我根本係搏唔過啊。
He's bound to lose out on these turns.
但你唔好忘記啊，而家你四個人係8隻手啊。
There are 8 hands. 4 pairs of hands.
當然最好咧，我攞到佢嘅手啦。
Best deal is to grab the guy at the far end.
嗱，我攞到佢嘅手用咗你3個啊。假如我攞唔到佢，我攞到佢咧，我咗你2個，最多俾佢打啫。
You only get struck by one person, you see.
我唔使俾你4個打。同埋我攞手咧，係容易過攞打佢啊。
It's easier for you to grab hands than to strike.
嗱，所以標誌手食咗㗎嚇，佢唔係冇人咁樣攞埋嚟你仍然打我㗎。
If he pulls me towards
我拉係咪你仍然打我？
keep on hitting.
嗱，佢直㗎，
He takes it straight up and covers his finger.
起碼我直啦。
This is the
你
sacrifice.
睇嗱，你一腳話唔到我㗎，
Your feet won't reach him.
唔係好到㗎。我拉過啲點咧，可能你到佢先。我唔一定拉攞到佢，當然我最好就係攞到佢。
The most advantageous is to take a person from either end.
甚至係或者而家呢度好簡單聽我，你高我呢度咧，我嗰邊冚都入嚟打我㗎嘛。
You're coming over
係咪
me.
先？如果我呢隻動作，嗰標指咧同尋條小念頭係唔同嘅啫。尋條小念頭淨係叫你唔好做呢嘢，標指就要你做呢嘢。喺呢個時間嘅機會率啊，係攞人手嘅機會大過打人。
So you understand the concept of using your hands fully to strike. It's a sacrifice. It's a sacrificial thing because if you deal with the second person from the end, you get the second last guy, which will leave one person free to come and attack you.
嗱，做完呢個動作咧，跟住呢個動作咧，嗱，通常做嘅時間咧，好多人都係咁嘅啦。
A lot of people punch like this.
如果咁咧，打人咁樣去㗎。嗱，呢隻手咧係固定咗呢個位，喺呢個位打嘅。
Lock it.
嗱，你睇到我呢個動作，係嘛？你知啦，咁樣打嘅。我打嘅時間呢度射翻埋呢度㗎。
You push it, the force goes straight back down into the stick and onto the ground.
唔係咁樣打㗎。
Grounded energy rather than a hard.
做完呢個動作之後，嗱，你睇我做嗰個動作啊！好多人將呢個動作亂咁做㗎。呢個動作咧，事實上咧係要你習慣揾隻手戴喺頭上㗎。
This last technique is to let the hand lift the head.
通常上咧揾呢個行先嘅。
Hand goes first.
佢叫你做成一個習慣。假如我通常我舉一個即係我泵一跌會放㗎嘛。如果我咁起身咧，係咪好多人都拱我？
nervous comes up, right? Just push the body up.
係快咗嘅。
It's more instinctive, right?
馬跌落地下度，推呢個地下起身你就快咗嘅。
Pushes the force to come up.
但係你唔好忘記，如果假如你有嘢打緊我嘅時候
I
咧，
have weapons.
我咧可以而家按我頭行先個手行。
Oh.
而家我要點咧？要手帶頭上。我呢個手帶頭上，要手行先。我而家仆喺度，我手行先我頭，我唔推我個頭行先我手。
Don't just say it first because the force will be coming.
唔係話你咁樣就唔俾人打到啊！
That doesn't mean that you won't get hurt.
可能嗰種刀嚟嘅，你手上一樣係俾人斬噶。但係起碼唔使個頭俾人斬咁解。
Protecting your head.
所以平時都唔係成日講點打人點打人，睇標紙係點啊！咁啊俾人打嘅時間你要點打你應該點做，點打你應該點做。
In the first two forms, you're taught how to take on an opponent, how to fight them, how to train them, how to beat them. And the third form, you're taught how to minimize your own injury when you're up against yourself.
嗱，好似頭先我做嗰個動作，要俾個人打，除咗逼住你，或者係跌咗埋牆啊，你咁打嘅啫。如果假如勝過細路仔，你當然唔好理佢啦。如果勝過咧，咁諗住自己打落去都唔係咁容易得人打嘅，呢個慘過真嘅。
And you see, what thing you say, you try to get off as lightly as possible. If you know that you can take, you see 4 guys coming at you, you feel confident you can take all 4 of them and go hit. But if you see 4 guys coming at you, or even 2 big guys coming at you, and you know that if you hit them, it won't affect them. You may as well run. Avoid the whole incident.
嗱，標紙大致都係咁噶啦，你哋有咩問題冇？標紙應該個問題啊。嗱，通常嚟打咧，亦都真正講唔應該保持頭先咁嘅情形嚟打嘅。通常幾個人打咧，我最好咧，譬如佢將有人咧，我幾時手住對住一個，將你啲人拉住，當自己係一個目標，俾你幾個人追，你始終都仲係一個鐵線。
You always have only one opponent to do. In other words, if you have 4 or 5 guys, you still go to a point where you only see one, and the others are all hidden behind this one, so that he began to feel to you. So you always choose the one that is more awkward for more than one people to use it.
如果真係要打嘅話，你都可以手住打唔係代表輸。
You can run and fight while running away. It doesn't mean you lost.
佢走到最接近呢個，你可以打嗰個㗎。
The guy that comes close to you first gets it.
有冇咩問題
Questions? 佢想睇嗰個收嗰個。Is that the one you want? Okay. Anybody else with questions?
What you're saying about being really spend the form you how to interact the environment and allow you to find out the ideas.
佢話標誌係即係你唔方便打或者你或者唔方便
假如你做生意，你有啲賺錢嘅，咁又可以賺，咁啊可以賺，你梗係賺人賺得最多。
If you have several ways, several methods of selling money, your business will be choosing the most the most.
標紙咧係你做緊生意，咁又你揀又最少。
If you apply beauty to a business and you've got several investors and they're all going down, you now have to look for the one people want to use that is using the most to sacrifice.
如果自己嘅生意最好唔好做啦，即係你走咗去啦。
If you go for a business that people constantly are at a loss, if you know so you have to check it out.
呢個時做唔得嘅時間，你咪揀用絕對少嘅。
If you have are no alternative to try and get up and like you.
好多司機帶人走嘅，我帶人走嘅。
Many people don't completely run. They completely turn.
有冇問題？冇話過幾日當佢哋
Meanwhile, you haven't got any questions. These people will show you a few movies.
嗱，我將頭都先嘅時候，當喺住死物，
將佢寫漏情咯嗰啲乜。
當然有人同你自己練最好嘅，
You much better off to have a life.
但係假如冇人同自己練嘅時間咧，
There's no fun.
呢門裝係可以幫你去練，因為佢做咗一個人咁嘅樣。同埋咧，就算即使有人你練嘅時間咧，佢假門裝咧，亦都一樣係有好處嘅。因為門裝咧已經造成一個模型咁樣俾你。若果你嘅手係唔正確咧，你埋呢個裝咧係埋得唔完嘅。而家裝咧就係、要你嘅3個動作同一個時間完成嘅。
The job teaches you to simultaneously execute multiple techniques. That's one of the main objectives.
有好多情形啦，好似練走馬或者咩咧，對住個裝嚟練咧，有陣仲好過對住個人，因為呢個裝係你個敵人嚟㗎啦，根本係。
The dummy is the opponent, and it's much better to use dummy to practice footwork, running around, dangerous footwork, and attacking from the general footwork with the right part.
好啦，一開始招呀，
Come on around.
跟住翻呢下，呢啲情形咧。通常頭先我已經解咗㗎啦，即係等於我打人一場，人哋指起咗，翻嚟其實你而家打嗰場咧點樣？或者而家平時咧黐緊手啦，而家你黐緊手啦，都用喺做你呢隻手㗎，一樣我經驗黐呢隻手㗎，即係同一個動作，啲人波咁啱啱，然後再咁樣，再咁你已經唔知㗎啦，係一個動作嚟。好似係我同佢黐手得咁，你唔好以為一下兩下，係一個動作嚟，係一個動作嚟。綁手嘅時間咧，有時好多詠春喺裝咧，唔一定外旋或者內旋嘅，有陣時喺外或者內都有。嗱呢種拳而家攞住啊，一睇呢邊個手，呢個手咧。有可能係外旋手，亦都有可能係內旋手。
It could be on the inside of the hand or on the outside of the hand, so that technique is being executed.
嗱，譬如佢咁打我，我一攞你下，咪內旋咯。啱啱喺呢邊咁過嚟，我咪喺外旋咯。所以唔一定外旋得。佢咁打過嚟，我又呢下。佢啱啱咁樣喺呢邊埋嚟，我又係呢下。所以你唔一定要外旋嘅內旋，係個時間上啱與唔啱。
So that could be inside or outside door, and that doesn't necessarily have to mean that you go from the inside or the outside. You can affect from either side.
嗱，譬如我綁錯手，綁錯手，如果我係快嘅，我嚟得直咁樣去，或者佢快。一轉就打嗰場過嚟，嗱我呢下又係呢下嚟，明唔明啊？我講住，咁係咪呢下？嗱，當佢快嘅我呢下，係咪又係呢下？咁呢個手做一定遲咗去咗後腳，一定要上。
Position the back, the foot in the back to follow the front leg.
嗱，譬如佢打我一錘，咁如果我係得上咗前腳唔上後腳係唔到㗎，係我一定要上埋啲後腳㗎。 呢個後腳要去配合埋呢隻手一齊去嘅。
The foot and the hand just got to complement each other. They all got to work on each other.
嗱，你哋好選過呢部戲應該好意思啊！再睇我呢部位，我講嚟講去，仲係講呢下，因為佢好重要啊！嗱，睇到我呢個動作咁樣埋，咁樣埋。若果假如唔係咁埋咧，而係咁樣埋咧，你睇我兩手 cross 咗㗎。
You look at if you shake the angle incorrectly, you find that your hands actually cross each other.
而家呢咁 cross 咗㗎。
You have a drawing force.
嗱 ，cross 咗手點咧？
So I
即係打唔到啦。嗱，佢兩個手平啊，
gotta be parallel.
咁樣，如果你真咁咧係唔夠嘅。
Once your hands are crossed, then you gotta be able to
所以佢一路成日叫你重複做呢啲嘅動作咧，一路做到你啲手唔會交叉，而又唔會身去扭做個動作，係要你順嘅。
This the discipline of the dummy is to get you to a point where you actually make your hands move and your feet coordinate with one another, and to get parallel, straightforward force, and not have the forces cross so that neither cell locus is pressure conflict.
仲有一樣啊，嗱，你睇個踢我，嗱，標指入邊就係嗰個講籃球一樣啊，呢個馬座點嘅作用㗎？睇個踢我，如果我咁樣上，大多數都係咁嘅。如果再打翻落嚟咧，一打落嚟，我呢個係跌。
So it's this kind of technique, right? If I kick,
嗱，我都未攞到踢佢啊！如果佢就會上，而家佢咁都未係好夠位，佢應該係咁樣嘅。咁啊，啱啱望住我呢個腳。如果佢上得太薄咧，嗱，我打佢上得太薄咧，呢個薄嚟啱啱打佢呢個。而家嗱，佢照個即裝咁啊上法咧，嗱嗰上放死嘅。嗰啲部腳啊，一定要你好強調，要你做到足，呢個係我咁樣去嘅，唔好將我身咁樣嘅。如果真係咁樣講，你根本打唔到人嘅。
that's footwork. And in Ryuchi, when we talk about footwork like that, there's a counter to kicks. If you kick someone and he sneaks in back, you can counter with that technique from Ryuchi. But if you know how to use strong footwork, you can counter that and block and make it very awkward and throw.
呢個動作做完啦，攞翻出嚟交，呢手大指上都係要你嘅。嗱，呢個動作一齊完成佢咁解嘅啫。加手你都頭先我已經講過，係補翻隻綁手嘅錯，或者係想上馬去攞人嘅。嗱，狠手呢啲個狠手咧，平時啲手辣手或者咩咧，或者俾人哋捉住你啊！頭先我咪做邊子話嘅，其實咧佢對方唔太大隻，狠手都用得着嘅。嗱，譬如佢捉住我咧，狠手我用，唔一定係要幫下。
It doesn't necessarily have to mean they use the free if someone grabs you use your front self to get out of it as well.
或者豬手咧，豬手攞落嚟攬住佢咧，佢呢下已經攞計放飛嘅。佢以為呢下佢有冇睇咗？一樣好長，當時係用得着嘅。甚至而家呢下咁嘅粉手，上少少馬嘅咧，係對於大眾啲。通常你攬落嚟咧，咁攬落嚟咧，我就咁睇你嘅。因為或者我咁樣上馬邊咧，即係小琴橋嗰個低檔，仲可以上馬。如果對方另一大隻咧，咁攬落嚟咧，即係所謂直接帶喺大條道嗰邊。因為咧佢哋頂住你咧，你逐步做好論盡，所以將佢帶喺大個。所以咧嗱，呢樣嘢點解大隻嘅？嗱，一翻上嚟呢啲手，啲頭先一樣噶啦。嗱，佢都一樣係要你走一步配合埋呢個進行，交呢啲唔一樣噶啦。嗱，圈手 因為呢度咧，你唔好諗住隻內門啊，唔好諗住隻咁樣啊，就往我呢隻手喺呢邊噶，嗱呢手打噶，嗱你聽啦，你聽到啦，往往係呢一邊手嚟噶，往往係呢一邊手嚟噶，呢手帶打嘅動作喺度嘅，不過問題咧，佢喺你喺呢個位咧。有啲人搞到過呢個呢個動作，個身太花，所以佢就喺個位咁樣去嘅啫。嗱，揼呢隻手係一個動作，唔係兩個動作啊！如果你一下兩下亦都唔啱嘅，你一下佢。
Those two movements together constitute just one technique.
嗱，跟住翻落嚟就，跟住咧每10下手咧，佢都有3一直升。頭10下，從第20下咧，都係完全一樣嘅，不過係一個左手做先，一個右手做先嘅啫。調翻轉佢攞呢邊，佢第一次攞呢邊咁解嘅啫。
The second set of 10 moves is exactly like the first set. The second you start with the other hand. You start with the left hand, the first hand, and you start with the right hand, the second hand.
嗱，跟住第30下嘅樁，第30下嘅樁咧，一般人都錯得好緊要噶啦。我見我有啲先生，我見佢教徒弟咧，都係咁樣錯法。
Many people use this incorrectly.
好多人將嗱咁樣拍下，第30下樁咁樣㗎。喺咁嘅時間仲唔係拍內門？喺內邊。
It looks like you're crossing the inside.
其實咧，你每一下都係內門手嚟。
All of them are outside here.
嗱，假如佢打我咁拍，係咪俾佢呢條打㗎？我到咁拍係俾佢呢條打嘅，我咁拍俾佢條打嘅，根本冇人做得咁蠢嘅。嗱，你望望我裝手啊！我企埋喺呢度，嗱你聽住啦。嗱佢仲我唔手啊，我常打兩拍。呢隻手係咪同呢隻手平衡啊
？This hand will be parallel to that hand.
嗱，我唔好打佢。嗱，係咪同呢隻手平衡㗎？咁你話呢隻手係咪外門手啊？
Is that right? So when you're practicing on the dummy,
你睇，你望望隻手。嗱，你望我隻手。嗱。係咪原來呢隻手咧？所以好多人咧以為呢隻手內門係冇錯嘅，係外門。兼呢隻手唔係對付人嘅手，係對付人嘅人㗎。
you know the person.
通常佢一隨隨咁打我覺得咁好。
The energy is forced.
有住呢條中線㗎，有住呢條中線㗎。哇！呢隻手唔難練㗎，你哋練得3兩日，你哋呢個都好熟。我唔理佢咁樣打我又好，或者咁樣拆我啊，都一樣係咁用。嗱，佢喺度打過嚟，呢個手食得啦，係咁樣。所以手唔係咁樣㗎，而家就唔真係咁樣打邊㗎？呢個錯㗎，咁樣㗎。嗱，咁揼呢手。嗱，你睇住啊，嗱，跟住呢手咪打底㗎，其實唔係呢手係打面㗎，唔係底嚟㗎。因為個樁係死㗎，你嘅人係生㗎。呢隻手咧，就上要你唔好打咁高，所以特別咧呢隻手打喺度嘅啫。嗱，而家我做翻佢入俾你睇啊，我咁就點打啊
？Doesn't make sense from the pressing down here.
個光面手啊，一揼點又唔點打啊？呢隻你手阻住自己，你用呢隻手咧就係呢支手嚟嘅，一揼係呢手，問題佢唔俾你手打到咁高，睇你習慣就翻個單底咁打。
Just to condition the elbow control of the fist.
因為門裝死㗎，唔能夠俾你做到單底咁做。
You can't hold those hands.
就有呢隻手咧，成日揼到呢度啊，跟住唔好，但呢個係硬 你就唔能夠俾佢做到呢度。所以呢個行運係橋面嘅手嚟，唔係橋底手嚟。跟住嚟嘅呢下手啊，講呢個頭先下手嚟啦。所以呢個手咧係咁樣放嘅咋，有啲人將嚟咁樣放，呢下係錯噶。嗱，呢個手咁講得上，呢個頭先你發呢個手嚟，呢手咁改上啦，過嚟呢手咁改上。接嘅呢個手，呢個手啊，將呢個動作借過嚟呢邊，將呢個動作借咗過呢邊嘅咧，就仍然係嗰個動作。因為我覺得我呢個冇位啊，我借呢個動作過嚟呢度，去打呢下上。
Okay, it's the same technique. You just move it a little further down the road to give yourself room to strike.
呢啲咁嘅腳咧，通常都係對付啊，攻嘅腳啊，我打到呢啲咁嘅位嘅腳。
You give someone a piece of time.
或者就打到呢啲咁嘅位啊，過咗褲頭睇以外呢樣嘢。
Technically, just come over the above their waist.
係睇橫嚟嘅。呢個動作咧，通常除非你揾呢個位，如果假如呢個位接到咧，你自己一啲都唔痛嘅，因為個對方過去啦。
If you receive it with the ball, so you'll hurt your opponent.
同埋有一樣嘢，你會覺得痛咧，可以話一樣嘢，你已經做錯嘅。
If you hurt yourself, you must have done it wrong.
係點樣做錯咗咧？停咗隻手喺度打嘅時候，停嘅時間係咪得幾米俾人打落嚟啊？
So you must have paused and made it and allowed the flash.
所以呢個手咧係一個動作嚟嘅。所以嗱，俾一做呢個動作，一個動作嚟。好多人將嚟咁樣擺喺度，咁寫得嘅已經係錯嘅。第一個做完一個動作
one beat.
呢個動作你哋應該好多個人都練過嘅，你做嘅係就咁一路咁做嘅咧。呢個動作做得好幾好用嘅，因為對方仲係打緊你，而且同一個時間你起來打佢嘅。
Hovering around how it's
Anybody
understood that? Okay,
通常喺明星嚟講咧，3套拳，跟住係裝。譬如我今日我講晒一裝嘅意思行嘅意思係，即係 all the dummy moves。起碼而家我講一部分裝咧，你知道裝嘅用意喺邊度？你有個打裝嘅時間，你嘅意識就即係你個意喺邊度？最緊要知呢樣嘢。頭先我所講嘅咧，就係我呢一樣嘢，唔好將原裝一路拍當佢外面啦。起碼你知道呢種情咧，你第二裝都要
covered up the 40 movements of the dummy. Those are the questions never played with the dummy before. Some idea of how much dummy as a data object can enhance your knowledge and
至於棍咧，係等於單手。
it's pretty much equivalent to single hand.
詠春嘅棍咧，同詠春嘅單手冇咩分。
There's not much difference between a control and a single hand.
或者兩個人黐棍啊，唔黐單手，唔單得好多。
You get two people with sticky toes, pretty much the same. Single hand.
問題咧係要經過呢度冇兩棍咧，係要經過做釘棍嘅階段啦，然後大家係學住先釘棍變咗短線就要釘㗎啦，原來加啲棍兩個人錯咗最初嘅時間釘啊，咁樣釘最錯嘅時間。兩支棍咧，大家都摸啦。然後咧，最終我咁樣過嚟，俾你釘，唔係攞嚟嗱，譬如嗱，我咁樣攞，咁咧你就攞翻支棍槍過嚟㗎，槍一下呢邊，槍一下邊，嗰陣時咧係俾你練呢下釘棍嘅啫，同埋槍過呢邊咧，俾你練呢釘棍， 釘到熟咧，咪然後咧就攞我咧，到我做俾你釘啦，我做俾你釘，我做俾你釘，然後結果你做俾我釘，唔係呢啲係你啱啊。咁之後咧，我畫圈畫界嘅，兩個喺度打佢，繼續畫嗰啲，呢兩個人都唔入呢個圈㗎。有一路人啦，咁一路攞啲高，佢啲你喺度去或者大家攞呢啲位咧，喺度黐棍咧，都唔入呢一個圈嘅。通常棍入邊咧，棍係好難玩得好嘅，棍咧都插下嚟啫，所以叫六點棍。
There are 7 techniques on the pole, and people call it 6.5.
如果棍咧，佢個幫打個波度，亦都唔相成好似。
There's a lot of parallel concepts of fencing. The principles of fencing.
而所謂嘅六點棍咧，不過咧係有下棍撲咗去，唔再翻嚟，就喺出邊打緊打嘅，所以叫六點棍。
There's one
而家拉咁嘅，最玩到最拉屎嘅時候咧，都係咁嘅棍。之後咧，即係講佢啲棍喺出邊，嗱，而家本來我敵人喺呢個位㗎嚇，所以我啪都攞支棍咧，佢就喺呢個位咁上翻落，即係唔再翻嚟出。喺呢個位出，咁啊，以呢個動作咧係有相似，不過而係呢下棍係最難練嘅，因為點解難練咧？通常啲棍我咁槍上去，甚至我槍個皮都唔難，最難打低。因為低咧受個地心吸力嘅影響，你呢個自動降落。咁你既然自動落咧，你想打呢位去到嗰啲棍就會低咗嘅。
So what happens is people say using the weight of the actual pole to thrust it down. This is one of the most difficult techniques there are. Because most of the other techniques are a thrust where you control it with a fulcrum of the In this instance, the reason why it's called a half move is you've got 6 full moves where you thrust, kick back, push again, and thrust again. And this last one, you're out there, you really kick out, and you do a thrust, and there's no recoil. That's why you have to move. So that's where the 6 points, 6.5 points.
真正嚟講，我是話一樣嘢，我唔中意呃，我啲棍唔係好叻。
You say he's not very good at the pole.
因為任何嘢都係你唔練就唔會叻。但係你話我要教咩？我要教人叻過我好多都得，要佢肯練。
I can help you become very good at the pole.
但係我自己唔係好叻，但唔係我唔明白，而係我所謂唔叻咧，就係我唔係好練棍。
I'm not very good at it because I don't do it very often.
相反嚟講，我練高多過練棍好多。
More than I do the pole.
呢個可能就係興趣方面。
Application of the pole.
不過棍佢點使費咯？即係你係你想知？我唔以為有人夠膽舉辦呢一樣嘢，因為你唔好以為一支棍嘅話到真正講棍量係呢個都3、4倍啊！
In reality, the pole is about approximately 4 times more dangerous than the line.
所以未有人試過搞呢樣比賽啊，未嘅。
No one's ever thought of putting it into competition.
即係真打呢行人仔。
You know, you misunderstood your big word. The application in the pole, like, is there trying from the pole or something like that?
你可以係咪學登棍啊？用嗰個棍嗰個技術嚟掟人，好似啲人都咁掟人，即係抌人。你要用翻嗰個棍嗰個方法咧，即係你加埋你嘅空手，即係而家用翻個棍嗰個 technique 抌人嚟做嘅，棍嚟抌人落地，唔係用棍用空手，不過用棍嗰個技術。我舉一個例嘅，我話運動危險。Why the pole is very dangerous？ 通常一啲棍，我哋練呢條係咪啦？我哋練嘅棍咧，呢啲成大隻嘅，
8 Chinese feet 或者是頭石9 feet。
通常啊，啲牆啊，咁插落去啦，就啲牆咧，起碼入咁多，成每個人入到咁多。
On normal breeze-block walls like that, people say you can find penetrated about that much in cold. I'll find things to do that one over there.
我懷疑揾槍都打唔到咁深。
Sometimes with guns, depending on what you have nowadays, you could make a decent foundation.
而且尤其是詠春嗰棍咧，個棍頭係細啲嘅，而且棍好重啲，好多。
And the proper return pole is much heavier than that heavy one that you can use, and it's tapered up to a point. It's not a pinpoint, but a much smaller point than the other one.
我自己就係自己嚟跟住舊樓嘅時間咧，啲牆好實嘅，所以我條仔有炒啲球好深嘅心。而家呢個譬如刀啊，斬你刀都未必死啊，斬你棍對下，我諗都叉燒咁樣都冇乜感覺。
People say, if I attack you with a knife, you cut yourself in time, I wouldn't necessarily kill you, but I don't know about a pole, but like thrust it forward, it'll go right through.
我哋講你唔同好似話呢個係如果揸住一個嘢擋住騎住隻馬，你都仲係咁對嘅。如果睇你呢隻手機佢擋揸個埋，你睇唔到啲資訊咧。所以佢話問好危險嘅分別，你都仲危險嘅。
What I'm saying is, you don't carry a pole on the roof. There must be some other use from the pole that you can still use that.
都係因為將中文咧係唔方便揸住成街行揸住嗰啲招棍，好易先。嗰個棍嘅練法可唔可以？
我講一樣嘢聽下，空手不如亂拳。你知道細細。
The empty hand is absent.
你哋都可能會睇過啲運動嘅。詠春棍冇呢樣嘢。
You don't see that in China.
佢就話俾你聽，啲棍唔係成日抬住嚟嘅。譬如我一間執咗條木，係咪好多道刺嘅？咁你要點用先
？Okay. People say if you don't carry a pole with you, and you have to pick one up anywhere.
我喺嗰條木四方嘅，咁你要一
square piece of wood, right? How are you going to slide your hand up without it? I mean, sometimes you have one grid.
所以詠春嘅棍咧係加咁多嘅，成日都喺呢度噶。所以你見到咁嘅，好多功夫都有咁，都係詠春之棍喎，由來至都係咁，一路打都仲係咁嘅。因為佢就係預算你隨時有咩事交到你啦，搭咗條木，條木四方嘅，唔通你做咁多轉？嗰陣時唔係你用支棍，係支棍打你。
You use a piece of wood, then you indirectly, then you have to be using it against yourself rather than using it to protect yourself. On the video, you can say this. On the video, you do get a chance to catch a slight glimpse at the other when he does the pole. The man, he shakes that pole, and that wood, anyone who grabs that wood, you know what I mean? You'll know that. He manages to do it, and he's straight, you know. Release some power there. Well,
喺呢度。呢啲棍唔啱用。
Keeper isn't happy with these poles.
呢個好長嘅
，much longer。
同埋你有咁樣長咧，你先睇到嗰個但係我話俾你講，好多我玩出嚟咧，好多人都話我好棍，但係我自己知唔係好。
A lot of people say he does pole very well, but he himself knows that he does.
詠春嘅棍，照我師傅自己講，佢都唔好棍，葉問都唔好棍。
Secretly not.
佢照佢講咧，最訓練得最好咧就係陳宇，即係陳華順嘅仔。
The son of Shanwasan, likely, is probably the best pole user in different countries.
但係咧，個拳好曳嘅。
But it's very poor. Word invention. It's like,
另外一樣佢就係練棍嘅。
but he trained the whole only professionalized.
照我爸爸睇過嘅嘢，即係咁嘅練法，我自己冇咁試過。香港嘅環境亦都唔同，因為嘅地方啊。
According to Seeking Death, those things it's not practical to train what he did, but
佢喺個花園啦，寫一埲牆
in the garden wall,
就揾啲釘啊，
he put nails
掛住一個牌寫一個牌寫住，夾住整釘，即係等而家 ABC 咁。
you know, you get put little Chinese characters on each little cap and nail it onto the wall.
咁咧，譬如佢揸住棍，佢嗰啲棍好長，12尺幾。
They're over 12 feet in length.
譬如我喺度叫釘釘啊，黐咁地要打黐關釘，打下佢，要膠釘唔亂。
You put nails against the wall, but not completely embedded, right? And he used to give each nail a title. And then outside, a third party, another person would stand there and call which nail while he stands there with the pole. And when that nail is called, for example, it's the ABC, right? And he says, bang, he goes, boom. So not only does he knock the nail into the wall, he doesn't bend it.
同埋個鼻孔之前啦，佢哋揾隻鑊，
It's a wok, a Chinese cooking wok.
咁樣揾一條撐，
A piece of pine wood.
揾條撐，咁樣倒啲英泥啊，知咩英泥咩？
Cement.
倒滿佢嘅，
He fills it up with cement.
咁樣揾啲棍槍佢，呢度咪咁擺啊？
And it's got tilt. And it moves.
好似個不倒翁咁樣。叫我爸爸話見過佢哋能夠用啲棍槍爆嗰啲
And he was able to thrust and break the piece of
打
pine
爆
wood.
啲撐，然後咧先至練咧話打釘嘅。佢喐㗎，嗱一打佢呢度咪咁咯，呢個咪咁咯，係咁搖咯。但佢能夠喐緊啊，佢可以打爆呢條撐。
So while it's moving, he's broken. You know, while it's in motion, it's down and snaps the piece of wood.
然後打完釘咧，先至開始學棍。打完釘先開始學棍。咁咧，然後因為佢初初咧咁刁棍嘅，先教佢兩下先嘅，槍棍啊、槍棍、槍平槍啊，咁啊槍完咧跟棍啦，跟能夠做到咁啊，先至學棍。其實佢唔學棍都打死好多人。你明唔明啊？筍到交關，你通常啲人，你知道佢咁筍咧，
Before he even started,
你冇咁行，冇咁筍。
before he learned, he was formally taught. Because when you learn the pole first, you just taught the pole punches, then you taught how to bounce pole, then you taught thrust it. This guy was already practicing. He was so keen that he had actually the empire before even learning the formal technique.
所以咧，真正講葉問都認為佢好好棍，即係葉問都好佩服佢啲棍，咁應該佢唔會好嘅。叫我爸爸都話佢嘅棍好嘅，因為我把算佢唔錯。
Hebrews fathers go and learn practically from and certainly none and they're all pretty talented along with that.
嗱，好似葉問嚟講咧，好了解點樣教棍，好明白嘅，但係佢自己都唔認為自己冇棍。
Ivan understood, you know, the way he expressed and he taught the pole. It's obvious that he had a clear knowledge of how the principles were applied. But he himself wasn't very good at it.
嗱，因為好簡單嘅嘢，佢見過陳宇年咁樣練棍，自己冇經過嗰個階段，係咪你就覺得自己係唔會好棍？
就講兩個人嚟好好。
你而家佢同陳宇年咧係兩兄弟嚟，咁啊見到人哋練棍練到咁，即係經過咁辛苦去練嘅，自己冇經過咁辛苦咧， 雖然我瞓都唔係好曳，但係我覺得自己係睇嘅。
Yeah, having seen how hard the other person works at the techniques of the soul, and how enthusiastically he works, and how much hours he actually put into it, and comparing that with yourself, people himself, in this case, his mother himself, recognize the other person's skill and dedication, especially that although he himself was he always admitted he was very enthusiastic about working with himself.
好似佢哋呢樣咧，我都有一個經驗嘅，即係當然做唔到話打場打釘嗰啲，因為佢香港好少人有咁嘅環境嘅。但係不過我做呢個我見過，一個做一個。
People have been seeing it that is still very good. That's why he can do that technique, but he's not thinking that he's not had the opportunity to practice with nails.
You know, Chawa Shan taught Vietnam, but Chawa Shan was about 70, 80, and what was the name of Chawa Shan's son? And he learned with Min Chin Tao.
都係上話就教佢就話經驗差嘅呢個
好耐嘅，你問學咗佢冇幾耐，佢多時。
And you say Chawa Shan
我喺英文學都10歲，我英文12歲就麻醉都死啦。
When you were 12, Chawa Shan was dead.
Yeah.
And Chawa Shan's son, who did he learn from?
What was his name? What was Chawa Shan's son's name?
我問到個仔啊，
陳演員大過英文好多嘅，跟佢老豆咯。
我會 dad，
但係都唔學點。
So he wasn't interested in only pose.
So really, Vietnam learned from Min Chin Tao.
哦，因為佢唔係話佢唔學啊。哦，
你問跟邊個學㗎？
佢初識跟佢，再跟梁碧，即係跟梁間嘅仔，梁碧啦。
No, he really learned from he learned from the very students.
哦，哦，
Min Chin Tao. Min Chin Tao.
咁咧，佢後尾咧打死人哋去日本，再翻香港嘅時間，喺電台灣度嘅時間就跟到啲學。
But I think killed somebody and came back later and started learning.
That's Leon Johnson, isn't it? Did you find a book, Leon Johnson?
英文有冇講即係講邊個聽過有
因為佢都睇唔到咧，因為佢學手電話咧，學神話歲，3兩年神話歲都死咗。佢點有機會見到自己嘅
don't hear too many stories because he was very short time afterwards.
哦，呢問佢好，呢個好聰明啊！佢唔會求其你講就信，佢唔會聽古仔嘅。
He's not also the guy who wouldn't believe everything right away.
Yeah. 等於頭先嗰個問我咪我話今古仔唔信得過，古仔個都可以讀出。
Stories can be made up anyone.
Yeah, that's the way that elbow strike.
Oh, you some people believe stuff.
未用學咁。
He's never used it yet.
如果我爭人個警員，我諗呢個賺啲書佢可以去得到嘅。
If you can use your own,
但係我唔同喎，呢度我頂住咗啦，捉住我得啫。
the only time we use his elbow is leverage.
我就但係我用得到呢度咧，我根本係用得到呢度。譬如我哋同人打都未一定有互相機會。
And in a fight, you'll see something.
通常嗱，中親一定有刀，有白斬刀。
Goes to the leg.
不過問題呢個刀咧係長咗。
This turn
都唔係
much too long. That should be a lot shorter.
詠春嘅刀咧，同手啊大致就差唔多。嗱，譬如而家嘅刀啊，咩問題？刀擺個裝啦，係咁擺咁大，即係我向環境塞啲㗎。唔同手啊，手我同佢打咁擺，但係刀咧，刀同打係咁擺。喺呢啲位嚟， 呢啲位係走一個三角形。
The triangular footboard.
我可以話俾你一樣嘢俾你聽，拳練都未好，千祈唔好學到。
If your hands are no good, it's very, very foolish to do things with it wrong. You should not to stop messing about with your birth line after the body comes
若果拳唔好咧，學咗刀之後咧，影響到你嘅拳仲差嘅。
If your hands are not properly trained, and you start training yourself with the chances are your hands will become worse.
我只有一樣嘢係幫助咗你係咩咧？個拳動咗。
Only one thing that will help you is strengthening your hands.
因為玩拳要你嘅身力好穩定啊，刀咧啱咧，將個身位咁樣走嘅，或者仲走180度嘅。
Sometimes it's not really easy.
咁啊，如果假如咁樣嘅話，你玩 Alan 咧，你嘅拳一定係，因為拳冇咁樣嘅玩。
So that kind of footwork doesn't apply to the enemy hand aspect of combat. And if you try to combine too many training methods, you start influencing each other.
嗱，好似好簡單一樣嘢，而家你哋睇手都唔能夠咁樣噶。嗱，你都係咁樣，係咁樣。但係咧，好多人將個刀咁樣。嗱，如果我咁樣，你睇我啲係綁手嚟嘅，唔係綁刀。
This is it's long so. If your hand is a long, the knife is not very long.
嗱，如果咁樣咧，而家刀咧，呢個 elbow。如果你咁咧，仍然呢個 elbow。如果刀呢個即係 elbow， 你搏長兩手啊嘛，搏長兩手係咪呢個係 elbow 啊？都係咁樣噶，嗱睇住啦，都係咁樣噶。如果拳咧，你咪咁啊嘛。如果你刀我開始咁抗自己噶。
If you use the knife the way you use your hand in this instance,
嗱，所以刀咧係咁樣噶，係咁樣噶。其實刀同拳啊，本來嚟講係一樣啊，係冇分別嘅。因為你搏長兩隻手啫嘛，但係實際上完全有分別。跟住我下都有分別。There is a difference. 拳而家你淨係練槍，其實黐手係要求你做到甩手直衝練。The whole concept of teaching is practice with a whole different. 但係咧，都唔能夠甩手直衝啊！
With a knife, you can't do that.
而家我講翻係，差唔多20年前，about 10 years ago， 葉問好多，葉問係最，我亦都睇過佢同人打過，就唔係對刀，係對雙人劍。
versus fencing.
呢個雙人劍咧係攞過澳洲嘅冠軍
A European champion.
澳洲
Australian champion, sorry.
佢隔咗問打嗰陣知道你，我係8年後再同我打。
8 years later, this guy lost to his mother. 8 years later, he was people again fencing versus.
結果佢又輸咗。咁咧，佢話佢輸咗之後咧，佢話我寧願同葉問打，都唔同你。
In the future, he'll rather fight people than people.
因為你唔係我呢個葉問啊，你唔好咁啊，因為嗰時我係後生個葉問，葉問好穩陣嘅打得，但係個葉問咧可能冇我咁耐，都冇咁快。
葉問was not as fast as he was playing for a lot more safety and people took more chances.
我後期咧，我 一個叫做而家喺香港做選擇校長，真係睇選擇校長，真人係全香港真係
there's a champion center
我哋出過教嘅，
不過呢個
Danny Cameron 佢而家都喺香港佢就教埋即係佢同我打遊戲嘅，佢收咗用真人電台，呢個用對標㗎。邊個第日咧？佢有啲晚分都唔有啦。
he first tried with the Titans when they were in the States at the time.
就帶多麥卡一個表現，
And as long as short, they had Saber in the desert.
咁佢就輸埋之後咧，佢就要跟我學刀。
After having lost, he decided to go and then go to a high school.
咁我唔肯教，我冇得教，我你都連手下都唔識，連出一啲手你都唔識點望。
Unless you learn to use the hand that once you can learn.
咁我要由頭學，咁佢後尾都有學。
He finally
嗰陣時都未入到啲，咁嗰陣時就喺 CBS 咁佢學打佢要入 camp 咁冇時間學。到我沙士嘅時同佢打咧，而家講嗰時打喺呢啲打呢啲，喺我天喺無線打。
the people while he was kind of a experienced family, they didn't see each other, and then more recently they had contact once more, and this was Calvary.
咁我同佢喺警察行打喺上水警校㗎。
He was in police today.
咁啊同埋嗰啲醫隊啊嗰啲去練嗰啲咯。咁啊見過佢啲，佢打針啊，我同佢打得好真啊嗰次就。
He was really trying not to use them.
我把刀啊平嘅，兩把打，之後佢做分刀啊，分刀啲放嘅，我把刀好似隻鋸咁樣打。
Hebrews swords were made of brass. Maybe they had real swords, and Hebrews blades at the end of the bout, it looked like it was serrated from.
都話結果我打到一刀落喺佢呢度，佢成個鐵喺地下度㗎。
Several times he versus knocked him down with a blade with a
佢
blunt.
已經卡咗嗰度，因為我已經要求我佢哋都打得好真嘅，即係大家冇。
It was so brutal that they cut a lot of flesh out.
開始就會打到好傷，好緊要。之後跟住咧，我都俾佢嗰把分刀咧打到崩晒。咁啊啱佢一下咁樣過，一過我啱喺呢兩邊，唰咁啊呢啲刀喺呢度嘅，咁啊可能唔住咗㗎啦，一拉刀口，我都唔住嘅，但係斬到崩晒，我拉佢哇臨尾呢條線都留得好重啲嘅。
He cut his arm off without intending to. As far as thinking his blade was blunt, but having got contact many times by a sharp or thinking in the sword, it becomes serrated and the cool will be tore off.
而家講翻就係語文的我學，
But hey, he's
只係22年都有。
learned for speaking nice.
咁咧，因為我知道語文好多，但係我一定要問佢一個問題，我先能學。
He has to answer one question before learning the.
我從來唔要師傅教師傅㗎，係佢要我學嘅啫。
People never ever asked his mother to teach. He only learned what the teacher told him.
咁我問咗一樣嘢，話刀係唔係甩手中？
You have not heard it sometimes.
咁你問下我，
He has to guess.
但我都唔話，我認為就係。
He thought that wrong an argument around him. If he's really learning the good thing.
咁 咁佢話冇理由啊，都係等於國上女手啫，佢話。
Because the butterfly knife was just extension of your hand, brushing your hands like that.
嗱，我話如果你一走衝 ，OK 先步，或者咁樣，好先步 ，OK。如果話拳，就叫做 fist，我留打唔
Punch, I knocked him back.
我唔到，要翻嚟，
I had a knife,
我就啪，
he'd still be there. He wouldn't move backwards.
我兩個仍然喺呢個位，
His
我
left
就
position is still the same, so he can still cut me.
當然點啊？我睇我今晚諗咩晚，聽日先教你。
When he runs, says, give me a knife. I'll get over and I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll give you a knife.
咁佢第日自問我講，就你啱我錯嘅。
And he runs, said, yeah, that was good.
佢話咧，所以刀咧，你走過馬，
That's it.
走過馬路。
With knife, we always work on a triangle footwork pattern.
咁啊，既然兩刀啊同手一樣，我常嘅手應該連馬都一樣嘅。
But, you know, if you're using your knife the way you use your empty hand, you should use the same type of footwork.
咁啊，佢話咧，佢係因為你啱，所以佢出刀同轉個馬。
That's why. One has to go away and think about it, because after having thought about it, he decided that made sense, that there's no left hand that comes in, the butterfly knife flows, and it's not advisable to go left hand that comes with the knife. And because on further reflection, he found out that the footwork in the knife pump and the footwork in the empty-hand pump are pretty much different from one another.
咁咧，第一樣嘢，好似喺咁樣，我問佢呢個問題，對佢有好，因為葉問都係主好好。我唔容易有啲問題會令到佢答唔到。
It's very difficult to come up with a question that you couldn't answer.
但係相反，我問佢呢樣嘢咧，佢提翻一樣嘢咧，俾我亦都好有意思性。我只係諗嗰個要求上又唔同啫，我未諗過我馬。
So, you know, in that sense, Seafood he learned exactly as well by probing, but with one probing question, he answered more. He made new discoveries. Where he didn't just answer the one question. Seafood just wanted to know one thing. He ended up learning a lot more. So that's in this case, to us here today, the way in terms evolved on its own. It's a different thing people asking questions of each other.
有陣時話，對嗰個俾人問多都有好處嘅，基本上。
It's beneficial to ask questions.
有陣時佢幾廿歲、幾廿年未必會諗過嗰個問題。點解自從我諗到呢個問題，我冇諗過我刀嘅馬，嗰啲係我係。
So this another classic case of incidental where students ask the teacher who in all the years of practicing never encountered
多兩少situation。嗰次落佢唔提我馬，而我一早諗到個馬咧，其實我刀我通咗嘅，問題係爭議嘅啫。最緊要通咗呢一樣嘢裏邊咧，係爭好遠。
It's understanding the concept and then the practice. It's what people, if he had not spoken to Iman about the concept, he probably would not have thought about the footwork of the knife. Had he then thought about footwork, chances are he probably would have got it all done. And then it was just down to practicing. Putting in the hours.
有時都要手玩好嘅，都唔係話咁難。
When you're pretty good at when you start to understand the way of the knife, it's not so difficult to practice it. Thank you, Suzu.
Hey, just want to say a massive thanks for watching, and please take 2 seconds to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to help us grow and keep these legendary stories alive. I read every comment, so let me know you're here. Thanks so much.